Hello guys, blogging on Wix can seriously boost your Google's ranking, only if you optimize your articles the right way. And here's a step-by-step guide to help your Wix blog posts get found and rank higher in 2025. So, when creating a blog post, use clear keyword-rich titles under 60 characters. In the post settings, customize the URL slug to match the topic. Keep it short and focused, like how to start a Wix blog, and avoid Wix default messy URLs. Now, step 2 is optimizing meta description and image alt text. In the blog's SEO settings, write meta descriptions that clearly describe your post and include your targeted keyword. For all images, add alt text that explains the image and support your main topic. This helps with Google's image search. Now, step 3 is using proper header tags and internal links. So structure your articles with one H1 title and multiple H2 and H3 subheadings. Break up content for easy reading and SEO clarity. Also, link your other relevant blog posts and pages within your site to boost internal navigation and SEO strength. Now, step 4 is adding categories, tags, and schema markup. You can use block categories and tags carefully because they help Google understand your content themes. In advanced settings, enable structured data schema if available on your template to improve how your blog appears in the search results. Now, step 5 is keeping content fresh and mobile friendly. Update old blog posts regularly with new stats, images, or sections to keep them fresh. Always test your blog's mobile layout. Wix templates are mobile responsive, but large images can slow down the load times if not compressed. Now, final verdict, Wix blog SEO works if you nail the details: titles, meta tags, image alt text, and clear structure. Combine this with regular updates and internal linking to give your article a solid shot at ranking on Google's first page. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.